Okay, I'm going to do something a little different than I normally do on this channel. Haven't done anything like this in a long time, at least on YouTube. We're going to replace the PTO belt on my 2005 model Cub Cadet commercial M60 tank. Now, they've made the M60 tank for a long time, and there are some different belt sizes on some of these. Not all of them take the exact same parts. And what we're replacing today is the PTO belt, not the deck belt. It's something I want to specify. When you go to looking for a belt, if you're going to order it offline, make sure you're ordering a PTO belt, not a deck belt. Deck belt is just this guy right here, which turns the blades. This one here on the bottom pulley here, it turns just the blades. The PTO belt goes back to your clutch in the rear, which is right under the engine. And you can see it under here, and sorry about my finger in the way. And yeah, it's that one right there. Luckily it is on the bottom there. And these are actually one of the easier ones. Hello, girl. These are actually, she's got a dirty face. She's been rooting around in a burn pile. After it cooled off, of course. And these are really not that hard to get off. To take the tension off of it, you remove your pulley guard. See that right there? That takes tension off of this, and you can do that. So you can see my belt is in very bad shape. It's just it's on borrowed time for sure. I've been mowing also. I noticed it like that this spring. I've been mowing. Actually, I didn't have to remove this. We'll do it anyway. Now, we got to get some tripod action going on here. And I'll show you how easy it is to get off, and we'll compare it to the new one to be sure. Okay, now that we took tension off of the idler pulley, we should be able to, which I've already got it off there. Originally it went like that. All you do is pull it out of the way, and you can get your belt off just like that. And let's see if I can do this one-handed while holding the camera. I should jack it up, make it easier to do, but yeah, it just comes straight back like that. Now, I'm going to make sure, I'm pretty sure it does, but I'm going to make sure it matches my old one. Wow, that belt is gone. It looks like, yep, it's pretty darn close. You can see, make sure I'm out of the way here. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I ordered the right one, because if you go online, there's a lot of confusion over what fits what year. And okay, so I should be able to go through the back side. I'm just going to crawl under here, come up through here. I know you can't see what's going on, but you got the idea what I'm doing. Okay, I'll show you. Going up through here. Just make sure you're clearing everything, and I'm going to go ahead and get it on this pulley. No guarantee that it'll stay. I guess I could duct tape it on for now so that it won't fall off. Matter of fact, I might do that. Almost guarantee this. When I go to pulling on it, it's going to fall off the pulley. And it's easier when you leave it on, put it on the back pulley first. Now let's see if I can get it on this pulley without it falling off the back pulley. See if I can put it on this pulley first and get it under the idler. Okay, we're on that pulley. Now, I'm going to push my belt down, push my idler pulley over, and that's it. That is all there is to it. That's probably the easiest belt you'll replace on these things. Which, this one don't look too bad either. And to put your tension back on your pulley, you just go ahead and put that back on. I'll go ahead and put these guys on. And this right here is what applies the tension, or the tension. And there it is. We'll start it up, pull it outside because I ain't turning the blades on in here. And we'll see how it works. And then I'm going to show you where I found this belt. And by the way, I got this belt for $16, free shipping. $16 and some change after tax and everything. You might as well say under 20. Pretty much the flood. It's pretty old. Dirty girl. Yeah, we're out in the bright sunlight. Make sure it works. Probably not the safest thing to do, but you got to be sitting in a seat where the blade will not engage. Looking good to me. And that's all there is to that, to replacing the belt. Now I'm going to show you what I did to measure the belt, and I'll show you where I found it. I found it on eBay, but I'll show you exactly where I got it. Like I said, there was a lot of questions to be asked when I went online. I went on Cub Cadet websites and everything, and I just was not sure if I was ordering the right belt. It would say it would fit certain models and it wouldn't. There were models I thought for sure that would be the same as mine, and when you click on the details, it just wasn't clear as to whether it would fit mine or not. So first of all, I measured the width of the belt. This is a 5/8 wide V belt, 5/8 of an inch. So I had that measurement, and to get the length, I took this thing right here, and to make it easier, it's, you know, the beginning was right there, but to make it easier, if you're going to measure it by yourself, if you got somebody to help you, that's great. I just want that to stay there. Take any cloth, tape measure will work. And just measure around like this. And I was getting 7 feet 8 inches. 7 feet 8 inches. 7 times 12 equals 84 inches plus 8 inches equals 92 inches, which is exactly what I ordered. And now we know our belt size. And what I did was on eBay, and I found this one. All I did, see, as you can see, 5/8 by 92 inches. And actually, this guy, all I did was type in 5/8 by 92 V belt, and this is one of many that popped up, and this is one I chose to buy. $17. I got free shipping. Forgot it was after taxes, but like I said, I'm sure it was under 20 bucks, or at least under 22. I can't remember the exact, but when you go onto those Cub Cadet websites, I'm not going to do a search right here for you, but they're a lot higher than that. They could be anywhere from 60 something to 90 something dollars. And I forgot, I seen some outrageous prices. And we'll see if this holds up. I bet it will. You could either find it online like this, or if you got a local shop that just sells V-belts of any size, as long as you got the right size. Doesn't have to be a perfect application, just got to be the right size. And that's how I found it for $17, $18 plus whatever the taxes were. So, thanks for watching, and that's about all this is. And that's all there is to replacing the PTO belt.